Howdy folks, Duke here. Welcome to another episode of Random Stuff by Duke. So as you can tell by the video, I decided to make a tripod. I really need one to keep everything stable and so I can have some more hands-free ability. For this build, the only thing I purchased were two 4-foot section of 3/4 inch dowel rod and a few eye bolts to use as the adjuster screws for the build. The tips of the eye bolts were cut off so as not to scratch up the dowel rod and to make the sliding of the dowel rod easier. The tripod is held together by either duct tape or zip ties. The top section, the zip ties hold the top portion of the PVC legs. In the center of the centerpiece is a hole where the center PVC pipe comes through and is held in place by duct tape, which is wrapped around the PVC pipe. Further on down the center portion of the PVC pipe, you will see a mesh of zip ties. Those zip ties help stabilize the tripod and prevent it from twisting. You may also notice that there is duct tape wrapped around the poles of the PVC pipe. Further on down at the very bottom of the center portion is some more duct tape which prevents the center pole from falling all the way through the center pipe. This template here was used to create the top piece of the tripod. As you can see from the top of the tripod, I used an 1/8 inch backing, which is essentially just a piece of paneling. The center pole is made from 3/4 inch dowel rod and is approximately 26 1/8 of an inch in length. And the adjuster is just another eye bolt with the tip cut off after it's been fitted into the PVC section. PVC section itself is approximately 25 1/4 inches in length. As you can plainly see, there is no top section yet for the tripod. I plan on using the top portion of a selfie stick in order to give me the angling ability that is found on tripods. I have not yet gotten one of those yet, so it will probably be a few days before I can get one. As you can see from the video, the PVC section of the tripod legs is 22 inches in length and features a single eye bolt that was purchased from Home Depot. The eye bolt itself had the tip cut off after it was fitted into the PVC pipe. The duct tape you see here is used as a marker and a placeholder for the zip tie. The zip tie is placed about halfway up the wooden section of the tripod legs are the adjustable portion of the tripod, and there are 1-inch markers to adjust for the height. At the base is duct tape used to provide a cushion and help stabilize on smooth surfaces.